Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2022 Chevrolet Traverse LS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape, beautiful condition, inside and out. Leather interior, super nice. LS model. All right, let's go ahead and take a close look at the front bumper. Front bumper is in beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing condition, really nice shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Headlamps in beautiful shape. Beautiful condition. Lower lights, beautiful shape. Grills in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. Take a look at that. Really amazing shape on this one. Super clean. Look at that other headlamp. Lower light, amazing condition. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Looks super clean. Really nice condition. Front fender on the driver's side, amazing shape. Looks super clean throughout. Very nice. Driver door. Driver door is in amazing shape. Looks super clean. Very nice condition. Let's have a couple little marks here on the chrome there. Besides, that looks good. Taking a look at the rear door on the driver's side, amazing condition, super clean. Quarter panel on the driver's side looks good, very nice, super nice condition. Did notice a tiny little dent right here. It's got a tiny little dent right there. There it is. Besides, that looks good. Walking around the back here, rear hatch. Glass is in great condition, looks super clean. Take a look at the door itself. It's got a dent right here. Little dent right there. Little blemish here on the paint and here. Besides that, looks good. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape, looks clean. It does have some scuff marks here. You can see there, a couple scuff marks there, and here towards the center. And also on this side, a couple scuff marks. Besides that, looks good. Quarter panel on the passenger side, amazing condition, looks clean throughout, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side looks clean throughout, really nice condition. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful shape, clean throughout. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side, really nice shape. Let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in good condition. Looks good on this side. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof is in great shape. Really nice condition overall. Don't see any scratches or dents on it. Looks good. Very nice condition. All right, that pretty much concludes our walk around on this one. It's in really beautiful shape inside and out. Really outstanding condition. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at this, really nice shape. Looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Look at the armrest, great shape there. Controls for the power windows and mirrors. Power locks. Look at the handle on this one, very nice. Taking a look at the driver's seat, beautiful condition. Very nice. Does have a couple little marks on it, no big deal. Besides, that's in good condition. Rugs are clean, good condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the second row here. Take a look at the passenger side rear door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Really great shape. Take a look at the controls for the power window, the handle, really nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the second row. Second row looks good. Clean condition, good shape. Rugs are in good condition. Take a look at the back of the seats. Very nice. Does have a couple little blemishes here on the leather or whatever, some little marks on it. Besides that, looks good. All right, take a look at the third row. Third row's in good condition. Very nice shape overall. Look at that. Good condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Look at this condition. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Does have a little tear here on the armrest. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the controls for the power window, The handle looks good. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at here, the second row. Looks good, very nice condition. Take a look at the floor, it's good shape. Liner's in beautiful condition. It's got little AC vents on the roof for the passengers in the back. Super nice. You can actually control that from here. It shows you the temperature, the fan control, and beneath that you have a couple USBs there. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the third row. Third row's in great shape. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that, really nice shape. Armrest is in great condition. Take a look here on the bottom, a little bit of storage. Beautiful, very nice. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. A couple little details here on the seat itself, but nothing major. Looks amazing. All right, let's take a look at the third row seat. Beautiful condition, looks nice. Really great shape. Okay, we're all set. We're gonna start this baby up. Take a look at the start button here. There's a key fob for it, lock, unlock, and panic. We're gonna set the key down right here. We're gonna press the button, we're gonna start it. There you go, look at that, starts up perfect. All right, let's take a look at the mileage on this one. This one has 68,798 miles. Super nice. Let's take a look at what it has here. It has miles per hour, RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge. This one has an auto stop for the engine, which is nice. Which you have a bypass button right here. So right now the bypass is turned on. So when that light is illuminated there, it's bypassed. So if I take that off, it'll show you a little signal there. Auto stop off. So right there's where the bypass is on. Okay, fantastic. All right, so let's take a look at some of the features here. It's got a little controller here. We can scan through it. So it's gonna show us the trip computers, miles per hour. Super nice, there in the center. Fuel range, average speed, timer, and miles per hour. Then we go over to vehicle. It'll show us the warning speed if you wanna set that up. Oil life, air filter life, tire pressure sensors, following distance, battery voltage, coolant temperature, transmission fluid temperature, traction and safety, and the units if you want to use US. Okay, then we turn it to the side here. Econo. All right, so let's put it back on miles per hour there. So it also has the compass there, which is facing northwest, and it's in park. All right, let's check out the turning signals. Super nice, both functioning. The highlights also, fantastic. It's got the little bulb there, it turns on. All right, so for the collision alert here, it's got different settings. So right now it's further away, you can set it closer. So that's for the collision alert right there. And then this is also for the cruise control. This is the information center that we're moving right there. Speak your commands and you hang up your phone. Front and rear wipers. And this for the turning signals and the highlights. Down below here, automatic lights for outside. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, super nice. Steering wheel's in great shape. Let's take a look here. Very nice condition. Beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look here at the center console. Center console's in great shape. Got USBs, auxiliary, power plug right there. A little bit of storage down there. Cup holders, shifter. Taking a look here at the transmission. So we have it on regular mode. If you shift it up there, I'll go to snow mode, I believe. So snow mode. But we'll go ahead and we'll leave it on regular mode right there. So this is for the lane alert thing they have there. This is for the bypass of the motor. This is the power brake. All right, so you have 2 zones, actually 3 zones, one for the rear passengers. You've got 2 zones here. Controls for the AC, super nice. Up above here, it's got a really nice screen here. Beautiful screen. Let's go to audio, show you what it has there. More. So you have AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. Super nice. Go back to home again. The phone settings. You got your phone settings there. There's no phones paired right now, but it's very nice. Wi-Fi settings. Super nice. Settings for the vehicle, that's the collision alert, so forward collision braking system and pedestrian detection. Super nice. For the apps, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and that's for the language and the time and all that stuff. All right, looks amazing. Beautiful condition on the dash, looks amazing. Quick look at the OnStar buttons here on top. A couple courtesy lights here, super nice. Liner looks great, beautiful condition with AC vents on them. Looks beautiful, very nice condition. Really nice shape. Stay tuned, we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, let's start our test drive. Here we go. We're just gonna take it for a little spin so you can see everything functioning correctly. Really nice drive, super smooth. Okay, we're coming up on a light here. Good acceleration, feels super smooth. Okay, well that's going to pretty much conclude our test drive here. You can see everything's functioning good. We're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera. And then we'll conclude our test drive. Then after that, we'll show you the engine compartment, all the tires, and the cargo area in the back. That's what's coming up next after the test drive. But let's just go ahead and check out our backup camera. Now we put it in reverse. Backup camera's there. This one has little lines there. When you turn the steering wheel, it actually shows you which way you're going to roll back. So it's just point those lines back there and you'll roll right into your parking space. Looks good. Look at that. Very nice. All right, that concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the engine, take a look at the tires, and the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear cargo area in the back. Super nice. As you can see here, those seats fold forward, which is super nice. You need more space. Regardless, you do have this space back here. We've got a little power plug here. Down below here, we've got some more storage. And beneath that, you have the spare tire with all the tools. Beautiful condition, very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Let's take a look. Really nice condition overall. Beautiful shape, 6-cylinder power. Really amazing condition. Look at that, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape, looks very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at this, amazing shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side, beautiful shape. A lot of tread on there, it looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look, very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Look at that tire, beautiful shape. Rim is clean and in really nice condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition. Look at that. All right, we're taking a look at the front passenger side tire. Look at that. Tire's in great shape. Rim is in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Look at that. Amazing shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Chevrolet Traverse LS model. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.